Hello everybody, good evening, how are you? Good evening, most welcome to today's yoga session with me, Megha. Hi Prasad, Tanu. Hello Amir. Okay, good evening. Great to see you this week as well. For those who have been regular, a double thumbs up. Those who are regular every Thursday, I'm good, Shweta. Thank you. How are you? Good evening, Sharvari, Yashwant. Hello, Tanu, Prasad. Hi, everybody. Okay, so good to be here. Good to see you. Me too. Catch up with you all again. All right, for this week's yoga session. Okay, good, great. Well, this is about Priya. This is about yoga. This is a yoga class, yoga session, and yeah, of course, we would be taking full body. And today's focus would be on the core. All right, core strengthening, and I hope all are ready for the session today. Just give me a thumbs up. Thank you, Amir, Sachin, Gupta. Thank you so much. Great, glad to see you guys. Regular, those who are regular, double thumbs up from me. Those who are coming here every Thursday, great. Appreciate. All right, let's begin. Yeah, I just told Amir, well, today is, of course, I would be taking full body. But along with that, I would be focusing on the core. All right, so let's get started. Yes, thank you. Hello. Sachin Gupta, hello. Okay, let's begin. So, we would be beginning, just to give me a thumbs up if you can see me clearly and you can hear me clearly. Thank you, Shweta. Okay. Alright. Okay, so well, just sit on the mat. For those who do not have a mat, please, whatever you have, a dari or whatever you are using, first and foremost, you should be, not sitting on a bed, on a mattress which is soft. Also, you should be having a gap of about 3 hours difference of your meal, between your meal. You can, of course, keep water with you. Just sip a little bit in between as needed. Alright, because of course, it's getting so super hot. Yes, thank you. Hi Radhika, hi Vanshika, hi Saurabh, Shweta, Bhalla. Thank you for joining and let's begin, guys. So, first and foremost, we are sitting today in Vajrasan. So, this is Vajrasan. Alright. So, this is Vajrasan. We are just sitting between the heels. Okay. Yeah, the toes. The big toe is touching. Yes, the big toe touching each other. Sit upright and straight. Sitting upright and straight. Alright, so now just disconnect from whatever has been happening with you throughout the day, throughout the weeks, throughout the month, etc. etc. So just disconnect with all the baggage we have been carrying and just be with yourself and your body for this 1 hour. Alright, just add a smile to your face. We will be beginning with mindful breathing and Om. So just take a deep breath. Exhale with your mouth, from your mouth with the Ha sound. Once again, inhale. Exhale with the Ha sound. Yes, just connecting with yourself. Let's begin with Om. So now, today let's just place our hands this way at the chest. Okay, so we are just, I would say, feeling the vibration that you will get here with Om. Just feel the vibration that you get here. Alright? चलिए 3 बार ओम करते हैं सभी मिलके. Inhale. Inhale. Let the vibration relax you. The vibration that you just got at the center of your chest. Alright. Gently open your eyes. So guys, we would be starting with Kapalbhati today. I guess everyone knows what is Kapalbhati. I'm using it in the beginning because it's a powerful cleanser. Okay, so it will, Kapal means skull, Bhati means shining. Kapalbhati means it will just clear the skull from whatever clutter it has. Alright, so with our powerful exhalations, exhale powerfully. Active exhalation hoga, passive inhalation hoga. Means we are not trying to inhale. Naturally, whatever inhalation happens will happen. Okay, so we are just exhaling forcefully. We are just exhaling forcefully from the nose. Alright, chale, let's do. I'll count 20. Let's do all together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Let's do another round of 20. We are still sitting in Vajrasan. Of course, those who have knee problems will not sit in Vajrasan. I've told earlier in my earlier sessions as well. No sitting in Vajrasan. For those who have had a knee surgery, knee injury, you can skip that. You can just sit in Sukhasana. Simple. Okay. So for the rest, we are sitting in Vajrasan because of course this is going to boost your entire digestion very powerfully. Okay, it really boosts digestion. So again, second round of Kapalbhati, 20 strokes. Those who have high BP can skip it. Those who have heart ailments, they can also skip this right now. Alright, let's do it together. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just take a deep breath. And you would be observing that your breath is so light now that you're not needing, it's not needed for you to breathe. The breath is so light after Kapalbhati. One last round, let's do 20. Inhale. Forcefully just exhale from your nostrils. No inhalation. Do not tighten your facial muscles. No one is needed. It's not needed to push your belly. These are the common mistakes which we all make. No, not needed to push your belly more in tightly. No. Just go easy. Just keep exhaling from your nose. That's all. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Again, close your eyes and introspect. How you are feeling? How is your breath? Is it lighter than earlier? Just introspect, few seconds only. Okay, wonderful. Alright, so let's just open our eyes gently and let's come for stretching. Of course, you could just type in your questions. I'll be taking by the end of the sessions. So you could just type in your questions out there. Alright, so let's from here, let's come forward, stretching your legs, straightening your legs, just shake them up. Yeah. Okay, so now fold your left leg, lift it up and bring it close. 1, same for the right, bring it close to your head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do not fall too much backward. 9, 10. Alright, again sit upright. Chest out, the shoulders are a little backs and sitting upright. Okay, let's change. Now, I'm folding my left leg, pull it in this way. So this is the Namaste. So here we are getting a stretch here. We are feeling it on the glutes. Feel the pose here at the side of your thigh at the glutes. Pull it up. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Awesome. Change. Now, take the other leg. Yes. So bring it just close towards your chest. And making a Namaste with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Yes. And let's change. Arms up. Stretch. Heels out and toe in. 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Whenever you exhale, push the navel in. Inhale up. Exhale. 2 more. Stretch up. Exhale. Try touching your toes. Exhale. Release. Now let's turn. Okay, so now again inhale. Exhale. Head goes down. Alright. Inhale. Exhale this way. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Twist. Whenever you are twisting, exhale it, then it will be better. Exhale. 5 more. Inhale. Twist and exhale. Inhale. Twist and exhale. Inhale. We want the twisting to happen at the spine. Twist and exhale. Inhale. Twist and exhale. Inhale. Twist and exhale. Alright. Okay, great. Great. Let's change. Come to Paschimottanasana. So, very good pose for strengthening the legs, the posterior chain of muscles of your legs, the whole chain. Also, for those who have weak knees, this is really wonderful for strengthening your knees. Alright. So, your heels will be out, the toe will be in. Stretch your hands up. Exhale. And extend, 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 extend yourself. Keep extending. Now, bring your chest closer to your thigh. Those who can hold the toe without folding your knees, please do. The thigh muscle is pulled up ताकि आपके घुटने ना मुड़े. Alright? Yes, good. Stay there. Now, those who have been holding the big toe, you can now push your elbows down. 1. Dip 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dip your elbows, guys. 7. Feel what's happening on the hamstrings. 8, 9, 10. And slowly let's come up. Relax. Just relax. Hands down. Okay. Good job. Let's turn from here. We are just turning and come to Malasana. Coming to Malasana. Alright. So let's do a little bit of walking in Malasana. 4 steps forward, 4 steps backward. Yes. Walking, walking, walking in Malasana. Yes, good, good. Just go back. Thank you for joining in, guys. Good, keep going. Yes, go back. Alright, another round. Go back. Okay, stay there, stay again in Malasana. Excellent for digestion. open up the hip muscle, the tightness of the hip. This will remove. So net you will be benefited from lower back pain. Yeah, just sit upright, no hunching like this, not closing your chest at all. Sit upright, shoulders are back. Shoulders are just back, chest open. So there is equal pressure on your heels. Stay there. 5, 4, keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, good job guys. Let's come up. Let's come. Okay, let's stand. Just stretch forward, Tadasana. So first, Samsthiti, standing tall, standing upright. Inhale, arms up. Arms up. Interlock and raise it up. 1, pulsing. 2, 3, keep pulsing. 4, let your calves burn. 5, 6, pulse. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep pulsing. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's wonderful. Release. So you would be feeling a burn here at the calf. Okay. Alright, that's great. So now let's just change. Stretch your hands. Go to the sides. 1, side stretch. 2. Now 3, hold. So just bend, bend, bend. The more you can, the more you can, the more you can towards the right. Yes. Yes, so my lower hand is pulling the upper hand. Okay. So there's a good stretch at the obliques. Center. Change. Now again. Stretch more, more, more. Pull. Keep pulling, keep pulling. My lower hand is pulling the upper hand. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, great. Okay, so Jaswinder Kaur, exercise for cervical. Well, right now I'll of course come back to this after pause a session, and at the same time you just remember one thing, that you will not be making a chin lock. Okay, you will not be making a chin lock deep, so that it doesn't exaggerate the pain of your cervical. Alright, chin lock nahi karna aapne. Chaliye, let's change. So coming out this way, the legs are out now. Come to Trikon, dip, chest open, not falling forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come up. So from here only, without. So see, my right toe is out. I'm just turning this way and bringing my hand down in Parivritti Konasana. Okay, stay there. For those who are not able to come down, you could just stay here, only this much. Those who are beginners, you could stay this way, or maybe you get a prop, get maybe a cushion. Okay, that's the easiest to get in the home. So place this cushion down and do like this. So this will be a bit easier for the beginners. Come in the center. Start dipping with warrior. 2, 1, 2. So see, maintain the pelvic. आपको ऐसे टेढ़े नहीं होना है. Pelvic is forward. 5, 6. Look at the alignments, guys. 7. Yes, so that there is no injury at all. 9, 10. And let's hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 8, 9, 10, Alright, good job guys, good job. Let's change. From here, just take your right toe in and just take the left toe out now. Alright, so of course we'll be just doing the same circuit, same schedule, same flow from the side. So now my left toe is outward, stretch, go a little bit down and come for Trikonasana. Triangle, look up, 1, 2, 3, 4, keep breathing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now place your cushion back closer to the toe and just twist, hand down and look up. Parivrat Trikonasana, 1, 2, 3. Yes, keep your thighs pulled up so that the knees are not bent. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up and now hold this one. Okay, so again maintain the pelvic, square pelvic. This leg is carrying the weight. The weight is here at the outer edge of this leg. Alright, so this is my right leg. Now the left leg is folded and I'm doing this. 1, 2, just pulsing in warrior. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and stay there. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, keep holding. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly let's come back. Okay guys, good job. Just give me a thumbs up if you're able to follow till here. I hope. Good job. Alright, great. I can see, yes, you all are really doing wonderful. Just keep that up. Keep the flow going on. Alright. Next one. So, now we are going to chair. Dip to chair. Step out to Malasana. Dip to chair. Step out to Malasana. Dip to chair pose. Utkadasana. Malasana. Alright. So, we are doing this for 10. Up again, this will burn the quads, the thighs. Let's go. Chair, Malasana. Step in, chair, out, Malasana. Step in, chair, out, Malasana. Step in, chair, Malasana. Keep breathing. Chair, Malasana. Chair, Malasana. 3 more. Malasana. Yes, let your thighs burn. Chair. Good. Malasana. Chair pose. Malasana. Last one. Malasana. And let's come up. Okay, good job guys. Alright, I hope you were able to do this one. चलिए, अब we're just going to take another flow, another sequence. So first, just relax yourself. If you want to have a sip of water, just take a little bit. And we are doing a back bend. Go back, back bend. Soften your knees. Come to flat back. Soften your knees. A little bit soft. Come to flat back. Those who are practitioners can do this without softening the knees. Flat back. Backward. Flat back. Keep the grip there. खींच के रखिए हाथ को. Elbows tight. Go back. Forward. Go back. Forward. Backward bend. As much as you can. Forward. Go backward bend. And forward. Alright, just let's stay here. Grip your elbows and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push your butt backward. 6, 7, also your thigh up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so place your hands here. Ardha Uttanasana. Hands are at your chin. This is the shin. Hands are at your shin bone. 1, 2, flat back. 3, look forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, just step back, take your right leg back, and straight away come to warrior. Okay? Yeah. Chest open. You can look up at the Namaste. Chest open. Take 2 deep breaths here. Keep holding. And release. Center. From here only, let's just take the other leg. Come up for warrior. Look up. Yes. Keep the back leg strong and active. Put pressure on the heel of the leg. Pelvic forward. Not tilted. And release. Come up. Alright. Great job, guys. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you for joining. Thanks for joining. Yes, keep going. Keep going. Alright. Chaliye, let's change. Now, we are done with all the major movements of the spine as well. Alright. So we can just come close to the wall. Come close to the wall and do a little bit twisting today. So, just come to a corner, closer to the wall. So what you are doing is keeping your toes forward. You are just turning and pushing the wall in a push-up this way. Then coming back. Push and back. Twist, push and back. Twist, push and back. Let's continue. Twist, push, back. Twist, push, back. Yes, good job. Thank you, Nitya. Keep going. Push, back. Keep on typing your questions, guys. I would love to have an interactive session. Keep on asking your questions if you have doubts. Don't keep your doubts in your head. We want no injuries, please. 1. 10 more. Keep going. Push. Push. Twist and 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 push. Last one. Twist and push. Okay, great. Okay, good job, people. You all deserve a double thumbs up. Okay, good job. Next one. Okay, so let's just come to Surya Namaskar. Okay, so today we would be doing a basic one. A basic Surya Namaskar. Just, one Surya Namaskar which will be a basic one. So that I am sure that everyone is on the same page. In the sense that we are not making any mistakes in the Surya Namaskar. Just watch mine and do with me. Alright, so there would be corrections. There might be people who are really, beginners. They are here for the first time. They might need corrections in the postures. Alright. Alright, so let's begin. Come forward. Elbows are here tucked in with the body. Okay, so elbows are not this way. Elbows down. Yes. Alright. Inhale, arms up. Go back. Arch back. So here we are not holding breath. Keep breathing. Exhale, straighten your, lengthening your spine without a hunch. Come down. Okay, now lift your left leg here. Lift it and stay here. Maintain a balance. From here, I'm just coming to warrior. Okay? Yes, stay in this way. You can do this variation here itself. Alright, so stay here. 1, focus on a point, eyes को focus करिए सामने. 2, 3, 4, bring your balance, right thigh is tight and down, change. Alright, so bring this leg forward, take the other leg backward. Alright, so same way, let's just do this. We were down, now the right leg is up. Okay, I'm just putting this variation, this is not a basic Surya Namaskar. So this is just a variation between stretch the right leg, now land, okay, and you can come up this way. Maintain your balance guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Bring this leg forward. All right, good job. Now left leg goes back in Ashwa Sanchalan. Knee down, chest out. Okay, now watch your knee. Watch your knee. Is your knee and your heel in a straight line? Check. Chest is out, the shoulders, this is not the way. Okay, we are not hunching. Shoulders are down, chest out. Always focus on the corrections and the alignments of the body, because we might be making ourselves prone to an injury if we are not following the instructions properly. Change. Go back. Mountain. So in mountain pose, make sure that you are, just try to push the weight backward. Good. 5, 4. So those who cannot push their heels to the mat, you can just pulse, push your heel down, push it down, push it down. So that's perfectly alright if you are not able to hold or push your heel down. That's fine. Come to a plank, please. Come to a plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Engage it. Keep your abdomen tight, hip squeezed. And 10. Ashwin, now we are coming to Ashtanga. So the knees are down, hip is up. Hip up. Alright, from here let's just come to a variation which is called puppy pose. Okay, so I'm just crawling. Can you see my hip coming up? Yes. Stay this way. Now see what's happening with the thoracic. Thoracic in your middle spine. Now again you can crawl back a bit. Yes, so this was just a variation, puppy pose. Crawling back, the navel is still up. Now from here, come forward for cobra. Coming up for cobra. Hands are free. There is no weight on the hands. Just lift your chest. If you want more strength in your spine, do this. If you have a sitting job, excellent for you. Push the toes down, guys. Yes, stay there. 5, 4, endure the pain that you're getting. This is good pain. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Now check. My arms are straight, they are slanting. Okay. Now just lift your thigh also up. The toes are flat, the thigh is up. In Urdhva-mukhi Bhujangasana. Thigh up. Again, chest out, shoulders back. No hunching. And release. Come up. Mountain. Go to mountain. Mountain pose as we did. Left leg forward. Ashwa Sanchalan. Yes, again. See, if you are feeling that your body is collapsing, gravity is pulling you strongly, then what you can do is you could just place your fingertips here. Okay? So that your chest is open. As I always say, the chest has to be open. We are not surrendering to gravity. If you want no negative thoughts, no depression ever, just always keep the Anahata, the heart chakra, the chest always open, guys. Remember. Change. Yes, beautiful. And come up. Arms up. Again, arch back, no breath holding here. Namaskar. Okay guys, give a pat to yourself. Good job. Thank you so much. Hina, Amit. Yes, absolutely good for lower back. Alright, Sonit. Good to see all of you guys. Just give a thumbs up to yourself. Okay, give a thumbs up to yourself who have been really pushing hard in all the postures and all the variations we did. Alright, so next. So well, I would like all of you today to just do handstand wall supported. Alright, so I'm sure everybody can do it. Okay, so let's just watch me first. So handstand, you just have to come close to the wall. Just come close to the wall. Okay, so here this way I'm placing my hands straight, lifting one leg up, let me do here. So my hands are straight down, come close to the wall, lift one leg, place it here at the wall. Okay, so this is wall supported, everybody can do. So this will help increase the shoulder strength. Alright, so of course just try how much you all can do and keep pushing your limits. Go. So push the right leg up. Now lift, take the other leg up as well. Alright, and try to straighten the arms the more. We do not want slanting arms here. Okay, so the body weight is forward, it's not backward. Yes, keep going. Stay there. Those who can, hold for as much as you can. Otherwise, the beginners, hold for 10 counts. 10, 9. Yes, keep going, keep pushing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's come down. Just give me a thumbs up, those who were able to do it. For 10 counts. And those, see, that's perfectly fine if you have practiced this for the first time and you're not able to hold. So, अगर आपका एक पैर जा रहा है, आप slip कर रहे हैं नीचे, that's okay. You can just do it one leg at a time. Alright? But just try. Oh, that's awesome. Good job, guys. So many of you did it. Great. Alright. Good. Let's just do it once again quickly. Once again for 10 counts. So those who have been practicing, those who are finding it easy, अब आप 10 की गिनती नहीं करिए. Do as much as you can, okay? Till the times your arms are really shaking. Go, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the wall also. 7, 8, 9. Head is in. And 10. Drop. Okay, good job. Alright, that's awesome. That's awesome. A high five from me, those who all did it. Okay, good. Let's change. So now, yes, your question, what we can do for chest and belly. Yes, of course, we're coming to the belly. And there are so many things. There are so many things that we are doing already for the chest. You know, wherever we are opening, wherever we are doing a back bend, it's all affecting the chest. So it's all, there's nothing kind of a spot reduction thing, but it's a whole package which we always work for all the major muscles of the body. So we're not targeting any single muscle, any single place, any single organ rather, but no spot, we're targeting the whole body. Alright, so let's just come for another one. Sitting this way, or let's just release the spasm from the spine. Relax your spine first. Fold it, round it, inhale, exhale, round it, inhale, exhale. exhale, round, inhale, exhale, rounded, inhale, exhale, rounded, inhale, exhale, rounded, inhale, exhale, rounded. See, those who are finding finding it difficult to cope up, relax. Those who are finding it difficult to cope up with the postures, so please do not get disappointed. All and all you need to do is just be regular to the sessions. That's all, and you will see magical changes happening in you. Trust me. Whenever there is some posture which is not coming to you, practice is the only way out. Alright? So, if you are regular to your practice and disciplined, then you will definitely see a change in yourself. Alright? Okay. Great. So, let's change. Bring it up. 1, close. 2, close. Vyadra variations. Your right knee is moving. Chest and open. Yes, of course, it's affecting your belly. Yes. 2, 1. Let's change it. Left in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Breathe in, out. Don't forget to breathe. Out, in and out. Alright. Okay, let's come to an elbow plank. Of course, now we are going to work for the core and come to an elbow plank, and we are just doing these dips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, keep going, guys. No break. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good job. Relax into Shankasan. Shankasan. Hip पीछे की तरफ है, आपका hip नीचे की ओर दबा है. Alright? Hands stretched in front. Hip is down, hands stretched. Alright. Let's change. Come and let's do a reverse plank. Just turn. Turn. Lift yourself up. Okay, so just lift yourself up. 1. This way, we're just coming from table. 2. Alternating the legs. Pelvic ऊपर उठा के रखिए. 3, 4, 5. Yes, just walking the legs forward. 6, 7. Push your pelvic up, guys. 8. Good. 9, 10. And now hold both legs straight. Reverse plank. Alright, so this is also known as Konasana. Stretch up, up. 1, 2. Push pelvic towards the ceiling. 5, 6, 7. Toes आगे लगाने के लिए hip को squeeze करिए. Push yourself up. And slowly let's come down. And relax a bit. Okay, good job. Good job, people. So far, so good. Let's now come for both pose or naka. चलिए कैसे करना है? ब्रेथ को नॉर्मल करना बीच में जरूरी है. We have to have a normal breath in between. If we are breathless, we will not be able to hold the posture so well. Alright, so always catch your breath. If you really want, you're really thirsty, just because it's really hot, just sip a little water and come back. Okay, so just come up. Yes, alright. So, बहुत पीछे भी नहीं जा रहे हैं, बहुत आगे भी नहीं है. Maintain it. Try to be here on the hip. 1, balance बनाओ. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll do this once again. So now this is for those who are unstable in this pose, just get a dupatta. And those who are, and of course guys, I would appreciate if you are regular every week for the sessions. So you can of course keep a cushion handy, or maybe get a book set handy in place of a yoga block, or you can even get a storage box, stuff like that. So it will help the postures as props. Also, because you will not be having a yoga belt, so you can surely get a dupatta. Okay. Alright, so well, this will make your job easier for those who are beginners. So do this. Heel out, toe in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So you are now on your hip. 1. Okay, great. Let's take a little variation here. Next one. So first, go down if you want to relax a bit. And now come up again. Come up to boat. Okay. So now we are doing this. 1, 2, 3. Hands open and close, and legs also. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So well, for those who are not able to do the basic one, please stick to practicing the basic, okay, without the variations. But आपने push जरूर करना है खुद को. Keep pushing yourself. Alright. So it's not about perfection, it's about progression, and progression will come if you are regular. Okay, chaliye, let's change. Take another variation. Again, come to boat. Yeah. Alright. Now 1, 2, 3. Yes, right and left movement of the hands. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, just catch your breath. Okay. Well, for those, yeah, you will of course let me know if you want me to be more in Hindi. Those who have problem with understanding. If you are not too comfortable with English, of course, you could mention there. I could take the sessions in Hindi as well. That's perfectly okay. Alright. Okay, sure. Okay. Let's change. So next one. Stay like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the last one. 9, 10. And down. Alright. All done? Good. Let's come now. Come for Setubandh. Bridge. Lift up. This is called bridge pose, Setubandh. Legs are at shoulder distance. You can squeeze your butt, lift your pelvic higher. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, just start dipping. 10, 9, 8, 7. Dip and Setubandh, guys. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go down. Okay, great. So here we are done with Setubandh, bridge pose. Chaliye, now let's just push for Chakrasana, wheel pose. Okay, so For beginners, you could just keep on pushing for it. Alright. Practitioners, of course, we can do it. Hold more you can. So आपने क्या करना है? Place करना है अपने hands को, अपने हाथों को हमने place करा है by the side of your head this way. Legs are folded 90 degree. Now pressing, inhale करा हमने, press करते हैं palms को, पंजों को, and lift your body up from the middle, lifting the pelvic up. Alright, inhale and stay there. Open up your chest, more open, more open, more open. Yes, excellent for your spine, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down. Landing is to be careful. पहले shoulders को नीचे रखते हैं, उसके बाद हमने गर्दन को नीचे रखा. ओके, चलिए. Now hug your knees. Of course, you will be doing more practice of this in the coming sessions. Hug your knees. Roll yourself in a ball like this and just roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, relax. Relax. दोनों knees एक साथ लाइए. Just take both the knees to the right side, neck to the opposite. Okay, so now I am pressing my knees with my right hand. I am pressing both my knees, knee on knee, toe on toe, heel on heel. So I am pressing them to the right. My neck is to the left. Turn. Just relaxing the spine there. Just relax your spine there. Yes, let's come center. Both the knees are center. Yes, let's go to the other side. Yes, just go to the other side. Sure, Michael, I got your message. I'll do that. All right, thank you. So here we are. Now come to the center, guys. Come here, bring your legs to the center. Once again, now we are doing this dynamic. Okay, so both your knees. Now here this is relaxing. Relaxing postures are really important. Okay, so we are now relaxing in the sense that restorative postures are important to cool down the body. Cooling down stretches are important. So again, the knees together. So now just touching down. 1, 2, relaxing the spine. 3, 4, and 5. Beautiful. Just down, bring down. Hands down. Okay. So here, let's do another hip opener, which is called happy baby pose. Hold your heels this way. Fold your knee, fold your legs. The knees being pushed downward. Alright. Okay. So now we are holding the heels. There is enough distance between the heels. And now just roll to right and left. 1, happy baby pose. You have seen a happy baby. 3, 4, 5. Yes, keep going. 6, keep going. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, relax. And just relax there. You can lie down in Shavasana. Favorite asana for all? Yes, no need to introduce Shavasana. So just lie down, go easy, lie down. So cooling down is important, and just observe what's happening within your body. How is your breath? Is your breath lighter? Just analyze, just introspect. Become an observer to your body. So just check that there's enough distance between your heels. The tailbone is down. The shoulder blades are down. So there is no stress that we are holding at the tongue, at the eyebrow center. Okay? We hold stress here many a times. No stress. No stress at all anywhere. No stiffness. Alright? Just surrender to gravity. Now let's just turn to the left and come up. Let's be seated upright. Yes, just be seated upright. Your hands. Okay, so your hands are in this mudra. This is also called Vitrag mudra. So, this way. This way. Your hands are here, this way. So I'm placing my right hand down, the left is up, and we are just doing humming 3 times. Okay, so this is called Mahapranadhvani. Inhale. While you exhale, just hum, and this will bring a lot of relaxation. Okay, the vibrations will soothe you more. Inhale. Once more. Once more. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rubbing your palms, placing this energy on your eyes and your body. Open your eyes gently, and thank you so much for your time, people. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you are, all energized. You're feeling refreshed. Thank you so much for your time. Yes, so see you next week. Any quick questions which I can answer? Okay, thank you so much. Well, we can, make a note of it, and we can keep meditation for the next session. Thank you so much, Sharvari. Thank you so much. I'm appreciating your presence, guys, and I really appreciate those who are here every time. Yes, exercises to relax lumbar, lower back, Abhishek, Kathuria. Yes, we did Bhujang, we did Setubandh, so we did many exercises in between. Also the rolling. So there were many exercises which were there to relax your spine. Thank you so much. Alright, thanks for your time. Continue to be there in the session, and you'll see a good difference. Alright, continue to be there next week as well. See you again, people. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate. Yeah, bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, Prasanna. Thank you, Atul. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you, Harmeet. See, for varicose veins आपको सिर्फ legs को lift करना है ऊपर, okay? Okay, Asa, I hope the session went good for you. All right, wonderful. So be there in the next week also, all right? So stay regular. Only regularity will give you results. That's the only requirement. Yeah, so just do whatever you're able to do. Follow the instructions so that there is no injury. Right? So for varicose, you could just lift your legs, place them on the wall. ठीक है, upside down, legs ऊपर, आप नीचे, वैसे आप रखेंगे तो आपको बहुत आराम मिलेगा for your varicose issues. Alright, so there would be reverse drainage of blood. Thank you. Bye bye.